Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Shadows Artistempire and I'm Chavi here. Before beginning my video, subscribe to my channel. This is a little break from my portrait series and I'll be posting it very soon, no problem. I also got a comment saying how to make a background using watercolors. So here it is with Mandala Art. Colors I chose were yellow and green. I started applying darker color from the edges. This was the first coat and I applied second coat when this dried. And also I am using Artline watercolors, Camlin watercolors and paint brushes, round paint brushes. Designs are totally according to you, that how you make them. There's no problem. You are not like forced to copy a particular design, so you can make your own design also. I made this line so that to make sure that I'll make these in a particular sequence. This is the best thing that I did. It's looking so good. When you see at the end, you realize. So this is the final outcome. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, turn that great thumbs up button blue, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. Thank you.